Ahoy, ahoy. I'm holding this up just for right now so you can see what the whole piece looks like. But you'll notice that there's this little registration piece up here, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Let me put this down. There's another one right here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. Each one of them takes a base that is this shape, or let's say this shape. And what I want to talk about is the reason why this piece is shaped the way it is. Basically what we've done is we've cut a receiver in here so that we can discretely place magnets, and by changing the position of the FES sensor, which is this is our sensor package for this piece, it forces the player to enter the piece in the correct direction. They can't just stick it in this way or that way or whatever. RFID, you're capable of doing that, where you just sort of, the thing itself is discrete. So as long as you get it sort of in the right location, it should theoretically work. But this lets us change the position of one or more magnets inside the base, and then when you slide the Mcguffin into place, it automatically registers and the sensor's in the right spot. This same idea, you can see here we've got different base shapes, but and we can do this in several different ways. But it's a way so that a location magnet is specifically positioned over the sensor, and you can see here different styles and different bases depending on what the Mcguffin is that goes on top. And so that's why we do it that way. Depending, and you can talk to us about this, but depending on what sort of technology you're using, the style of this would change, the utility of this would change, if it's useful or not. And certainly for RFIDs, if we have a little plinth or a little stone pad like we did way back in the day, we did the souvenir table for a steampunk game down in Houston. Each one of those was a tiny little stone plinth with an RFID reader behind it. And the piece basically matched the shape of, or the base of the Mcguffin matched the shape of that plinth. So you sort of, your brain just automatically tells you to center it on that piece. This is a way to ensure perfect reliability every time. And that's it. Pretty simple concept.